Hey everybody! Today I'm doing a fairy garden and I hope you all enjoy this video. I always love to do my fairy gardens. And I've gotten fresh moss, I've got fresh plants out of the yard, and I've got plants that we have to replant, succulents. So we're going to put those in. And we have some really cute little stuff that we're going to put in. Here's a little wheelbarrow that we're going to put in. I hope y'all can see everything good. Alright, so we're going to start. First thing is the moss. I did start the other day without the moss, and it actually was a problem because then I couldn't fit my moss in right. So I'm going to start off with some moss. Got this really beautiful piece, look. Gorgeous. It's really fresh. It rained last night, so it's still moist. I'm like harvesting it in my backyard. It's like everywhere around my house. So we're going to start breaking some pieces down and put them in the fairy garden. All the way around. And we got a little fire going. And the dogs are out here and it's really nice. And yeah, the bugs are biting a little bit, but we're trying to keep them off with the fire. Hopefully, as the summer progresses, the bugs will get less. I'm about to cut all the grass around here and get this place bug-free, hopefully. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, yep, y'all can see pretty well. I'm putting it right in to the fairy garden right here. And I'm just leaving like a little edging so everything can grow in nice. I've got moss off my branch, off of like branches of wood that are dead in the back that I've been getting off of the most because it's the most healthy moss I can find. And it is beautiful. I mean, it's so green and luscious. And I leave a little bit of that bark on the bottom, just a little, so it can like help it fertilize in there and grow good. It is hot out here, though. I will say that. Do you guys like my shirt? Today I'm not doing nothing, even though I'm doing something. Y'all need to get this shirt. You can go to Five Below for $5 and get the best shirts ever. And I get them, and they are cute. I need to go up there soon. I'm really addicted to that place. Okay, I got some more moss I'm going to put in. Really nice. It feels like carpet, like I say. Moss is like carpet. It's like you're carpeting to your fairy garden. It makes everything look like so magical and so gorgeous. All right. And it's just fitting in perfectly. I wish this would be a little higher. I'm going to put a little more dirt under some of this stuff. And I learned last night on YouTube that you can, or I've known that you can add water features to these, but I learned how to do it, and I'm going to start doing it soon. And hopefully, soon as I get a pump, I will be making a fairy garden with a water feature, and y'all will love it. And I will definitely film myself doing it so you guys can see. Right now I'm settling my dirt. And the moss process is probably the longest process of them all, as you probably see. You just got to fit it in there perfect and what I try to do is make the colors match up a little bit, even though that's kind of hard to do because all the moss is different. Like this moss has got like pure sand growing. And there was one of my hairs in it. Yeah, that's nice. Little love hair here and there. And this moss isn't as fuzzy, but I think it might grow a lot better in this dirt. So let's see. You can always pull up pieces of the moss that aren't doing well and put extra pieces in. I've done that before too. And then I saw one girl that was doing one, and she was putting in plants that were going to grow way too big for her pot. And yeah, her fairy garden turned out beautiful, but she said that after the spring or the summer, she was going to have to tear it all down. I don't want to tear down my fairy gardens, and I guess if you live up north in the winter, in the winter it's really snowy up there, but in the summer it's all right to to have your little fairy gardens. But I live in Alabama, and in Alabama you can grow anything anytime. If it gets a little cold outside, you bring her in, and then you wait till it gets warm and put her right back out. If you can't move her in, then you just hope for the best and pray. Pray to God. Everything will be all right. And if it isn't, then go fix it up. But either way, I don't want to tear my fairy garden down. I literally spend tons of time on these things. Why would I want to do that to myself? That make me feel bad if I'm breaking up a fairy garden. Unless it's like completely ruined. Yeah, so some of this moss is really acting weird because the other moss is different than some of it. So I'm trying to figure it out. And I'm sweating, so that's enjoyable. Always get so like shaky when I'm putting the moss in because I want it to be perfect. But as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. Oh, my dog just ran after a squirrel. Both of them. Oh my God, I thought that was a snake. I'm really scared of snakes. I literally will say, last night I had the scariest event happen to me. I was about to leave. My mom told me not to leave. I should have not went, but then again I did anyway. And I went, and it was about to storm, and it was really bad. And she's showing me some deals at Burger King. You want her? But anyways, it was really bad. It was storming horribly. Oh, that's nice.
Want that one?
Yeah, we'll keep both of those. Coupons. Keep couponing out there. Coupon-tastic.
$6.99.
$6.99 pizzas all day long. Anyways, so I ran out to my car, and there's lightning striking all around me, limbs falling everywhere. So I freak out. I run back in. I forgot something anyway, and then I decide to take off and try to do it again. I had to go open the gate of my house, and then I ran to my car. As soon as I run to my car, I'm stepping on a snake, you guys. Literally stepping on a snake in, like, the doorway of my car. My feet are out. My body's in. I'm freaking out. I throw my legs in. I hit my arm real hard closing the door, and it hurts, and it's a little bit bruised today, and I'm trying to get over it. And I was just, like, so scared. I was honking the horn, freaking out. Mom, calling for my mom because I was so scared. And the next thing I know is I'm back inside. And I'm like freaked out. And I don't even know if I could go back to my car because of the snake. And then finally I had enough guts to go take a flashlight and look. And it had almost started raining right at that point. But then I just was like, fuck it, I'm leaving. So I get in the car, crank her up, and leave. And I made it. And it was really, really bad weather. And the straight line winds were horrible. So I had to pull over into a gas station and wait for a while. But I made it home. I made it home safe, and I'm glad I didn't get bit by a snake. That was a really not cool venture I took. But I did it out of pure bravery. Bravery will beat them all. Gotta stay brave out there, people. Keep your spirits high. If you can go out in the middle of a thunderstorm, almost get hit by a limb or lightning, and then almost get bit by a snake and keep going, then you're doing a damn good job at going on. Oh, I found another hair in my moss. Ew. Hey, maybe it might be good for the fertilization process of this whole thing. All right, I'll throw in a little plant in there. I'll probably make 2 videos actually because I'm talking so much. I'll make a second process video after I set it up a little better. But let me throw a little plant in there and then I'll do a second process video. All right, let's see. What plant am I going to put in? Oh, that's really nice. I'm going to put in some succulents. Let's see. Oh, look at these babies. How adorable. I don't know if I should put them in side by side or what, but we'll see. I'm putting these in, Mom. Look at these. I'm going to put these in. Oh my gosh, they're growing more, I think. Well, let's try this out. I'm going to dig a little hole right here.
Put some of its own little dirt with it.
Yeah, I'm going to put some of its own dirt with it too. I'll show you guys. If you guys can see that, I put like a little hole right there, and now I'm going to put some of its own like fertilizing dirt for the succulent in there, wherever it is. Oh, it's under the chair. No, I don't want that. There it is. Found her. Let me pull this up a little. Oh yeah, do you guys see all my paints down there? I gotta do a paint video soon, but I don't know if y'all will like it or not. I'm putting a little of its own dirt in there, and then I'm gonna pull these babies right on out of here. Try to pull them out together. Ooh. Nice, beautiful, cute. A little more of their soil around here. A little more. Beautiful. We got trees. Look at all these trees in here, y'all. Little baby succulent trees. But in a fairy garden, it looks like a jungle. All right, so there's my trees. There's my moss. Gonna add some more moss. Maybe another plant or so. I'll show you guys the second process video coming out next.